Let's look at the secret to making restaurant-quality French fries using the LG air fry mode on your oven. Let's begin by choosing the right potato. To get the best texture, you want to use peeled russet potatoes. They have a high starch content and lower moisture than other varieties, which lends them to be the perfect potato to get a nice crunch on the outside and a soft, fluffy inside. I want to cut these in quarter-inch slices and then into long sticks, making them fries. The next two steps are crucial to a perfect French fry. First, you want to soak the cut potatoes in water for at least 30 minutes. This helps remove the excess starch, improving the texture and preventing them from sticking to the air fry tray when cooking. After 30 minutes, drain removing the water and using a towel, try to remove as much moisture as possible. I'm folding the fries in the towel and spinning it like a dryer would, removing as much water as possible. The more moisture you have on the potatoes leads to a flimsy fry, and I won't get that nice crunch I'm looking for. Once the fries are dry, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of canola oil. This oil will be absorbed in the French fries, adding to both the deep fried texture and taste. I just season these with some kosher salt to taste and toss the fries to coat. Next, lightly spray the air fry tray and add your potatoes. Make sure to distribute these evenly across the tray without having them be on top of each other. You can cook in batches if needed. Set your oven to air fry mode and the temperature to 450 degrees. Place the fries on the middle rack with a catch tray lined with aluminum foil 2 racks below, but not on the bottom of the oven. The tray will catch any drippings and makes cleanup easy. I'm going to fry these for about 10 minutes and then flip the fries. You want to cook these fries for another 15 to 20 minutes and checking about every 5 minutes, flipping them and making sure that they crisp on all sides. Once I get a nice golden color, I'll remove and let them sit for about 3 minutes, which helps finish the cooking process. I'll throw a little salt on one more time and serve them up hot.